Hi, this is Ari from Actorio, and today we're going to take a look at overriding prices. So as we can see, the software provides us with the prices on each and every marketplace where it's available, and also with the supplier price. So sometimes the price that the software displays to us is not relevant to us. And this could be because looking at the Keepa graph historically, we can see that the price that is displayed here doesn't reflect the price that it actually sells for. So what I can do here is I can simply override the price by putting 85, and I can see that all of the unit profit, unit price, sales, month, and profits are all updated accordingly. As soon as I leave the box, the price gets updated. Same goes for the supplier price. Could be that I have a special discount from the supplier and the correct price is actually not 36 but say 32. And again, all the prices get reflected accordingly.